This article goes into how there's not enough focus and attention paid to the regulation, or whatever you want to call it, the enforcement or the strictness of AI and its use in society. And in particular, there was a shocking statistic that I didn't know. There were researchers, AI people who essentially wanted to research the current state of AI and come up with potential like legal things and things you could enforce to help kind of rein in the use of AI and its negative consequences. And what they found was that tech companies have created 32 major machine learning models in 2022, while universities produced only 3. So the central power of AI lies in companies. Universities have the educational space has almost nothing in it. So that it begins a problem. The next thing that they talk about is ChatGPT 4 training, just the training for it. It consumed approximately 50 gigawatt hours of electricity, equivalent to the annual usage of thousands of American households. That's a lot. That's just the training. That's not the continual use and operation thereof. Now, continuing the lead up, let's just skip over to this one. I'm just going to skip over a few and just lightly touch on them. Over 13 million students and no AI. China bans help from chatbots during exam hours. There is a national exam that you take towards the end of your kind of like what would be considered the high school kind of thing here over in North America. Once you're done that particular portion of your schooling, you take a national exam, and it places you into certain things. Like maybe you're more likely to do a particular style of work or a particular job, or maybe you have to go, go into specific fields, or maybe like the government might take notice of a really good exam score and be like, well, maybe you want to work in the science. I think you kind of understand it. It's basically kind of like a placement. It can set up your future, this exam. So what China did is they're allowing AI education, so you can learn how to use AI and operate it properly, but you cannot use it for homework or tests. You cannot generate homework, and you cannot use it to generate answers for tests. And the reason why, well, I don't think it's hard to tell. It's not fair. You have an advantage if you're using these systems. The problem is that if you're going to allow AI to be part of these national tests, then you're kind of taking away from the fairness of actually taking the tests. The other issue is that AI has some serious limitations. And again, I've gone over it scientifically, statistically, and just proven it. Just literally, I've opened up ChatGPT and provided it code proving that it cannot code. It should not be trusted for code. It should never be trusted for code. You shouldn't be vibe coding with it unless you're questioning literally everything that comes out of it, in which case, why? Like you're spending at least net neutral time, which is also confirmed scientifically, etc.